Hi everyone, today you are going to learn about how to display the image in the web page and also how to put the image in the middle. We are going to learn right now. So you can see here, so we are using image src, the syntax to display the image. Okay, so this is how we can use. Width is 100% is width. If you take the 100%, that it is display like this. So you can see here, this is the display of the image. It's a completely prepared. So if you take the 600 pixel and the height is 400 pixel, now you can check the image is look like this. So if you want to apply the style, margin 0 and auto, so use 0 and auto along with the display block. Okay, try to use the display block. You can see it should be in the middle. Okay, which is the image which is in the middle. So you also check, it's like completely it is in the middle. So if you take something, the width is completely, if you take the width is 1000 and then height is 500 pixel, now you can see it should be look like this. Okay, if you want to occupy all the image with some, if you want to add some height, okay, 700 pixel, then it should be show something like this. Okay now, so this is how we can display the image in the middle. So thanks, we can meet in the next video. Thank you.